Kind of doing this video on the fly, can't you tell? That's how I do things sometimes. Okay, I can spray some on that. And then I can take this and put that in there. And that's feeling better already, because from before, outside, it was kind of hard to get in there, you know. Now I got some in there. I'm going to spray just a hair more in there. I'd be more concerned if I didn't have the silicone spray before I put WD-40 in there. I mean, WD-40 will work, you know. And this is going to dry out after a while, but, you know, this is all I had. And if this works, then once this dries in here, and if the same thing starts happening again, then I could use some of that graphite. Okay? Alright, so now I'm going to put that back in. In fact, before I do that, see where the latch assembly is right there? That right there. I could spray a little bit in there. You know? Hold my hand over here so it doesn't get all over. And I'm just going to spray some on the latch. And that's just going to help things a little bit. I can tell it's an old latch. And I've got a little rag here because I don't want that to run all down the door on top of brand new white carpet, let's say, or who knows what. Know what I'm saying? Okay. Now, let's put that puppy back together. And see this? Very simple. This is a quick set lock. And see how it's rounded right there? Well, I look in there and match up the round to round. Okay? And if I push on that, it slides right in. Okay? That's why you got to push on the side latch sometimes. Most times, actually. Okay, let's get back over here. Got to get my latch and everything. When I look on the back side of that, you see, there's a little nib right on the right-hand side there. See that? And there's nothing on that side. So there's definite ways to put that back on the door. You know? And you gotta kind of try it and look on the back there and think, okay, I think it goes that way. And if you can get it, you can flip this around. Okay, and I think that's gonna be it right there. Now I can hold the door here. Kind of tricky with one person because it all wants to kind of fall out, you know. Just gonna kind of try to find a screw. You may have to look at that. I think that's why they had the back side. You know, you could put these screws in first, let's say, like that. Then you could hook it over the top, over, under. You know, I'm not going to do that. I've never done that. Most locks don't have that, you know. I don't know why this one does. I don't feel comfortable doing it that way. So I'm going to kind of go with feel. When I can feel that I can screw that with my fingers, then I know I'm good. I don't want to get it tight all the way, but almost. Now I can kind of let go of it. In fact, I'm going to make it a little tighter than that. See how this handle flops around? It's loose like that. It's because it's worn. It's well worn. They're gonna need a new lock here. Reality. Man, this you just sometimes have to be kind of patient here. And hold your mouth just right, I guess. Come on. Wow. I'll put my screwdriver up there maybe. I think I got it. Nope. That's why I don't like using this screwdriver as much, to kind of line these up, because I might have it cross-threaded or something, but man, where is it? It should be right here. Mercy. Is this difficult all the time? No, not all the time. Ooh, joy. Ah, finally. Kind of anxious to see if this thing's going to unlock easier. I don't want to get it too tight just yet. Okay, let me move the camera back a little bit. Let's see here. Because I want to line this up and stuff. You know, where it was before. Look where the line and the painted edge is on the door and all that. See if it's going straight across. Look this over on this side and see if it's going straight up and down the keyed portion there. It looks like it is. Okay. Now I've got it held. And now I can tighten this up. Now I'm going to cinch it up. And sometimes if you got a hollow core door, you think one screw's tight, and then you tighten up the next one, then this one's loose again. So I just kind of look at it. Okay, seems okay here. Man, I'm all grubby already, just from doing this. All right, let's see what happens here, shall we? Hey, that's twisting nice and easy now. I like that. I'm gonna try the key in here, because before the key was running really rough. You remember that? Okay, so let's just see. Oh, it goes right in. I see from outside it's nice and easy to lock and unlock. Yeah, I'm liking that. Okay, I've got it in a lock position right now. Now it's unlocked. Okay. Wow, that's way better. All with the little silicone spray. Kaboom. Before I call this good, I'm going to check the door. And this was all grubby from before, but I want to make sure I don't have any spray runs or anything like that coming down here. You know, and the door knob's got a little bit of silicone spray on it, maybe from my hands or whatever, from overage. I'm going to wipe all that stuff off of there. You know, just be aware of other people. You know, when they come in there, oh yeah, somebody must have played with our lock. It's all greasy. Joe must have been here. No, they don't say that about me because I clean up after myself, you know? You should too.